Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lectures conducted by SLS Montessori and High School. This is our book's name, Understand and Communicate, from which we have taken today's topic, that is lesson number 8, tenses. So in those tenses, we have done its first part, that is present continuous tense, which we have covered and completed in the previous video. This is the second part, past continuous tense. What does the past continuous tense means? An action that takes place in past and keeps on going. So let's start. Past continuous tense. Students, if you have understood the previous lecture, in that I have told you that the word continuous means you have to use first form of verb plus ing. So whenever you used to see that word continuous, you will be using first form of verb plus ing. Either it's a present continuous tense or either it's a past continuous tense. Formula that I have made for it is subject plus helping verbs was and were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. These are the abbreviations which are used in formula, which are mentioned at the end of the page, which you can see easily. SUB, sub stands for subject, H.V stands for helping verb, V stands for verb, and OBJ stands for object. So the formula becomes subject plus helping verbs was and were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Let's discuss some of its rules. Rules for singular subjects. If the subjects are singular, like he, she, it, Ali, Sarah, etc., then we will be using helping verb was with them. He, she, it are the pronouns. Ali and Sarah are the singular subjects. So wherever you used to see these singular pronouns and singular subjects, you will be using was with it. Rules for plural subjects. If the subjects are plural, like you, they, we, students, visitors, teachers, etc., then we will be using helping verb were with them. As you can see, you, they, we, students, visitors, teachers, they are what? Plural subjects. You, they, we are the plural pronouns, and students, visitors, teachers, they are what? They are the plural subjects. So wherever you will be watching them, you will be using were with them. Let's see how practically it will work. So first we will be writing our formula on the top of the page, which is subject plus H.V, which stands for helping verb, which are was and were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples. The first form of verb that I have chosen is walk, and it's totally up to you that which subject you are choosing. Either you can choose a singular subject or you can choose a plural subject. I have chosen a singular subject, which is she. So as she is a singular subject, so we will be using was with it. She was, walk plus ing, it becomes walking on the road. Road is an object. She was walking on the road. Second, make. Now the words which end with E, whenever we used to see them, what we have to do? We will be applying ing with it and omitting E from it. So I have chosen I for it. With I we will be using was. I was making a basket. Third one is travel. So the words which end at the alphabet L, whenever we will be adding ing with them, L becomes double. So over here I have chosen they as the plural subject, and with they were will be used. They were traveling by bus. Okay, I hope by doing so you will get to know that how these formula will be working, and I hope whatsoever task I will be giving it to you, you will be doing it in the same way. So I have designed a home task for you which says that make sentences of the following forms of verb by using formula for the past continuous tense. The forms that I have chosen for you are all first form of verb, and these are hide, hurt, break, dig, do. It's totally your choice that which subject you will be using for making those sentences. Just try to write the formula on the top and do it same as I have told you to do it. Till that time, I will be meeting you in the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.